How to recover unsaved 94-word document. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to recover an unsaved Word document. Stick around until the end for helpful tips to avoid losing your work in the future. Let's dive in. Open Microsoft Word. Navigate to File tab at the top left corner. Here, tap on Open section, then click on Recover Unsaved Documents at the bottom of the window. Browse the list of available unsaved files, select the one you need, and click Open. Try searching in Temporary Files. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and hit Enter to access the Temporary Files folder. Look for files with extensions like .asd or .tmp. Open these files in Word to check if they contain your missing document. Enable autosave to prevent future issues. Open Word again and go to File tab. Here, select Options tab. From here, select Save from the menu. Check the box for Save Auto Recover information every X minutes. Set the interval to a shorter time, such as 2 minutes, to minimize potential data loss. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover unsaved Word documents and protect your work for the future. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.